Hey, it's Rob from Big Green Egg. Today we're going to be talking about ConvEGGtors, half moon baking stones, pizza stones, and the deep dish pizza stone as well. We're going to get into all of that, but first subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media at Big Green Egg. All right, so let's get started. When you get your egg, basically what you're going to have is your cooking grid in here, and it's a live fire grill at that point. So what changes that into the grilling, smoking, and baking machine that it can be with the versatility that it has? Well, it's the ConvEGGtор. And the ConvEGGtor comes for the 2XL, the XLs, the large, the mediums, the smalls, and the mini maxes. So that basically turns those grills into the direct, indirect cooking. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take out your cooking grid, you're gonna place in your ConvEGGtor. We're working with the large here, and we're gonna put it in, legs up, then you put your grid back on, and I always put this, the 3 legs, one right here in the front. And I always do that, it's just a safety thing. If anything was to fire back up, it gives you a little protection there in the front. But this is now your grid set up for indirect cooking. So you went from direct, which is just direct grilling. Now you can do your indirect cooking, which is smoking, baking, and even pizza stones. And I'm gonna show you that real quick. This is a mini max small and a medium pizza stone, but I'm gonna put it here on the large egg so you can see what's going on. But it then creates a convection oven with the ConvEGGtor down here and the pizza stone here. And you can also do, and I'm gonna give you a couple tips on here, you can watch our pizza video, but some tinfoil balls, or people use bricks to get this up a little higher so you get the top of the pizza done if you're having that issue. And you won't have that issue if you cook at a lower temperature, but some guys like to cook at a high temperature when doing that. That's okay too. But back to our ConvEGGtors, that basically turns us into that indirect grill. So now what we're going to do to make this a little more convenient, instead of taking this thing in and out and moving your grid all the time, this right here is a Convector Basket. It's part of the expander kit that you can get, but today we're just going to use it as the Convector Basket, which you can buy it that way. I'm going to put it in here. You're going to replace your grid on top. What this does now is now I can conveniently move this whenever I need to. And it goes in and out conveniently and moves that cooking grid up to the top of the base here. As you can see, it's level. So this creates a nice atmosphere for cooking when you're doing the slow and lows, the roasts, and baking pizza. And again, everything is designed so everything fits on there. Even if this was a large stone, it fits in between these 2 brackets as well. So this right here is our indirect cooking. You can now turn this into, when you have this device, by using our half moon baking stones. Just gonna put this here. This is the half moon right here. You could put 2 of these together and make it a full coverage down here, so it's direct and indirect. So you just put these stones in, put them together, that's indirect. But right now I'm gonna put this in like this, and you can see that I have a direct side and an indirect side. So now I can do cooking, whether I want to do my vegetables or potatoes on one side. I can do the steaks down right here using our half moon stainless steel grids. I can cook close to the coals here with steaks and cook vegetables and potatoes on this side as well. And I also, again, can do multiple levels if I wanted to, and do the other part of this expander on there, the top part, which now gets you some multiple zones and multiple levels in there. But that just shows you the basics of our half moon baking stone that we have. So that shows you this is just the half moon that is made for the 2XL, XL, and large. The ConvEGGtors, which go for 2XLs, XLs, large, medium, small, and mini max. And the pizza stones, which goes from mini max all the way up to the 2XLs as well. One more feature that I would like to, or accessory that I'd like to show you, is our deep dish pizza stone. And again, one of my favorites in here is doing like cinnamon rolls, things like that. You can put bread in here. You can bake bread on there with these baking stones. But this, you could do deep dish pizza, rolls, anything you can imagine, casseroles, things like that, go right here in this deep dish. Love these accessories. If you need more information, you can log on to biggreenegg.com or just click some of the links below. I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social at Big Green Egg. I'm Rob D'Amico. Thank you for watching.